Barrow Sea Cadets have been in the Barrow and Furness community for over 90 years. We support young people aged 10 to 18, giving them the skills and experience to set them off into responsible adulthood for the future. So the Sir John Fisher Sailing Centre is a purpose-built facility. It provides young people with over 5,000 hours of boating each year. We look to transition into energy efficiency and the solar panels in order to help reduce our outgoing costs.
As the light particles hit the solar panel, the electrons within the solar panel they move, and that creates energy, and that energy can then be translated through a charger to charge a battery, which can then be used later on to power devices or through an inverter to power your home.
As an independent charity and responsible for our own fundraising, it was helping to reduce the overhead costs that we've got of managing the facility so that we can provide the young people with the best experience we can. The installation includes solar panels installed on our roof. We've also then got the ability to store power through the battery and linking system into our main system.
Once you've paid for the solar panel, then any electricity that you can produce from it is paying back the cost of the solar panel, and once that break-even point happens, you'll then be creating free electricity.
The impact to the unit has been a reduced overhead cost. We need to make sure we are efficient and using funds wisely. Phasing out old systems is something that we are looking to do in the near future.